Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Purview catalog permissions for data discovery in USA step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Azure portal with the necessary credentials. Navigate to the Azure Purview section in the left-hand menu. Select your Purview account from the list displayed. Click on the Data Map option in the Purview account overview. Once the data map loads, look for the Access Control (IAM) tab. Click on this tab to view current permissions. Here, you will see a summary of users and their roles. To add new permissions, click on the plus Add button. Select Add Role Assignment from the drop-down menu. Choose the appropriate role based on the access level needed for data discovery. Common roles include Reader, Contributor, or Data Source Administrator. After selecting the role, assign it to a user, group, or service principal. In the Select section, type the name or email of the user you want to add. Ensure this individual has been verified for their role. Click Save to assign the role. After adding users, review the list to confirm the changes. You can remove users by selecting the relevant user and then clicking Remove. Following this process will help manage data discovery effectively. Remember to double-check permissions at regular intervals for compliance. Your Purview catalog is now updated with the new permissions. Return to the data map to explore the changes and ensure everything is functioning smoothly. This concludes the step-by-step guide for updating Purview catalog permissions for data discovery in the USA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.